Welcome to TFBTV's coverage of SHOT Show 2026, presented by 511 Tactical. Hey everyone, James Reeves, TFBTV here at the Bersa booth. Bersa, I have always been a fan of. They have been around probably longer than some of you watching this video have. I think the Thunder 380 being now, Rafael, I'm testing you right here. I don't know how long you've been around.
All the answers.
Yeah, man. Look, I'm 43 years old. I've been around the block
Bersa's
here.
Been around longer than you.
Longer
than you.
But in the U.S., the Thunder 380 was the first reliable budget concealed 380 that I remember 25 years ago.
Yes.
And now you guys have expanded a little bit. You've modernized, and we've got more options. Double stack 9mm in an ultra compact format is what consumers are looking for. And you guys are still making these at your factory in Argentina.
Yes.
What models do we have today?
Bersa has been around since 1958.
I love this guy already.
Yeah.
Rafael,
So
keep going, big dog.
About to be 70 years old, and not me. The company.
You cleared that about 10 years ago, right?
Yes, exactly. Can't you hear it in my voice? You said the Thunder 380. It's our most iconic gun. It's what people think about when they think about Bersa. There's been well over 1 million sold in the United States, and we keep selling them. They're still out there, and it's still what people think about. But Bersa is also changing now. And as you can see behind us, we got a lot of 9mm guns. A few years ago, we came out with the BP9CC, which was a single stack, 8-round, pre-Glock 43 single stack striker fired gun. But this year, we're introducing 2 new models in the BP series. And what I've got here in my hand is the version 2 of the BP9CC, which, for lack of a better word, it fits into that mold of the PE365 or the Hellcat. It's a higher capacity in basically the same package and a more modernized gun.
What's the capacity?
So it comes with a 10-round and a 13-round, and then a 15 rounds available for purchase. It's got the lightning cuts. It's more modernized grip. Optics ready, which wasn't before.
Love the super flat and thin profile. It's flat. Like if you set it down, I mean, it's like two-dimensionally, it's a box.
It's a really cool gun. It's been very well received here at the show. When it comes out in March, it'll have much more aggressive texturing on the grip, but this is what the grip will look like.
Got a rail up front to mount like a light laser. We've got magazine compatibility. Is it proprietary?
It's proprietary, yes.
Well, how much are those going to cost? Because that can make or break a gun like this.
I don't really know for sure, but I'm thinking about $25.
Okay. Oh, so not bad at all.
We'll deliver with the 2 magazines, and then you can buy the 15 round or extra mags, but 10 and 13 round in the package.
And this is a modular chassis system. It looks like.
Yes, it is. It has a chassis on this one, so. If you want to change out the color, or I'm sure eventually we'll have larger size grips for people.
It doesn't get smaller.
I don't know how much smaller we can get, but maybe for, if you want to hold it with 2 hands or something. But it is modular, so you can change it out.
And I also, I would do it just for the colors, because you guys always, the green, the OD green that you guys make has always been particularly to me striking in appearance. Optics mounting, what are we doing?
So we've got the optics mount with the RMSC direct mount.
Perfect.
So for this size gun, that's what everybody wants.
Yeah.
We actually have on this gun one of our new B optics, Bersa made proprietary or branded optics. So this is cool. We've just shown this here at SHOT Show. So
sights, what about that?
The sights are Glock-compatible.
They look
so anybody wants to put night sights or fiber optics or anything like that, you can do that.
Rafael, what about the slide finish?
The slide finish is a QPQ.
Quench, polish, quench. Not bad. Yeah, very durable, versatile finish. Excellent. You got forward slide serrations, rear slide serrations. I see you got a low profile slide release, which I like. Is that a reversible magazine release?
Yes, it is. You can reverse it if you're a lefty or whatever.
Now, close it out with the trigger. Tell me about it.
Trigger is, so if anybody was familiar with our old BP9CC, what everybody really loved about that gun was the trigger. So what we've done is made it better. So people wanted that safety little kind of lever bar in there, so we've added that into it. But it is a super short reset. I can. Whoop. Oh no.
Oh,
it's a very quick reset on it. I'll show you again, and I'm sorry for the camera angle.
That's fantastic.
Yeah, one of the better ones I've seen out there. And so, yeah, just an improvement on what was already good.
This gun's coming out in March, but the most important question for SHOT Show.
What's it going to cost? MSRP $449. I figured you'll see it out there at $399, $429, something like that.
All right, yeah, well, get us an order form because that's my business partner for Neutral Ground Gun Company. We're going to need like at least a half dozen of these for the shelves.
To start.
Yeah,
to start.
But,
and like all Bersas, lifetime warranty.
Of course.
So,
yeah.
Yep.
Well, look, Rafael, and seriously, you know, I'm not sure if you're familiar with my YouTube channel, TFBTV. This is right up my alley. I always have a lot of respect for Bersa. I would love to review one of these.
Get you one.
Yeah, I'm putting you on the spot. I need one of these sons of bitches immediately.
Look for his full review in March.
There we go. I like this man. Yeah, I like this man because we're going to run it through the ringer. I'm looking forward to that, and I'm looking forward to more SHOT Show 2026 with you guys here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Stay tuned.